goggles to put the ice.
Okay.
And you put the ice in goggles.
And then you're using the goggles for?
I want to put the ice.
Oh.
I want to put ice.
You want to put that in the eyes, okay?
Do you have goggles?
I would have.
Oh. You
I want to
have?
pay the money. I want the money too.
Oh
Do
my.
you want the money to buy for it?
I want to buy it.
Oh.
I want the shoes.
Also shoes?
I want to put the shoes.
Oh.
Oh.
I will sama you.
Pwedeng si daddy na lang ang bumili?
Yeah, of course.
Mm.
I will hawak.
Hawak.
I will hawak the daddy.
Okay. How about the school? You want to go to the school?
No,
Not yet?
that's it. I want swim.
Swim first.
I want swim first.
Okay.
Okay.
I want the goggles.
Gago.